Most parrot owners are actually starving their birds without knowing it. I've been keeping parrots for 8 years, and switching to pellets changed everything. Seeds alone don't give them the vitamins and minerals they actually need, but here's the catch. You can't just swap their food overnight. Mix pellets with their current food and gradually increase the ratio over 2 weeks. Your bird will fight you on it, but their feathers and energy levels will thank you later.